Father's Day fast approaching, so heat up your holiday function for Dad with some tasty bites and creative cocktails. Carla and her husband, Rich Bushey, have endless ideas and creative hacks to turn an average celebration into a memorable party. So joining us now is co-owner of Oak Hill Farms in beautiful Homedale, New Jersey, Carla Bushey. Carla, welcome to New York.
Thank you so much for having me.
Look at this spread. It smells amazing over here.
Unbelievable.
Now, first things first, according to your Instagram bio, quote, you like big boards and you cannot lie.
I love them. I always use them. I have to make it catchy and funny, you know?
Yeah.
Love them.
And this is a very big board. I'm not gonna lie.
Yes.
So what is your inspiration?
My inspiration is the people I love and that I want to always entertain. I'm a big entertainer. I always have a full house. So I like to make things that are eye-catchy and that always starts a conversation.
Oh. Yeah, well, this will do just that. Okay, the best thing about your recipes is that they are simple and affordable. How do you do that?
Yeah.
I like to keep things always simple and affordable. Like if I can do it, everybody else can do it. And I want to make sure that all the moms at home and everybody who watches, they can always like replicate or just take it as inspiration.
So how do we do that? Are we buying stuff on sale? Are we buying stuff in bulk? How do we keep things affordable?
Well, the things that I'm going to share with you today are things that you can buy from like frozen and just put it in the oven, or like there are simple things like cold cuts and bacon, like a BLT board that I'm going to put together, or even simple gift ideas.
Perfect.
All right, what are some ideas for summer gatherings?
Well, who doesn't love a BLT, right? I mean, it's a must. It's a staple, and I'm going to show you how I put it together.
Okay, please.
Are you guys ready?
Go on over there.
Okay. So we're going to start with our breads. I like to use 2 qualities of bread. So I'm going to start with some white bread first.
Okay, fine.
And then some rye.
Oh.
I always like to give people options when I'm putting the boards together.
That's very nice.
Then, of course, we're going to start with the lettuce. And every time I build all these boards, I think about, you know, who is coming to my house and, you know, like, do they have any dietary restrictions?
Nice
things like that you always have to be a little mindful of. So you make sure that you are getting everybody.
That's right.
Yes.
So this is a board that you're building and people can make their own.
Just come
in advance, yes. And what I love about boards is that not only starts like conversation when people get to your house and everything is ready to go, but also the fact that you can make it in advance and everybody can create their own.
You don't have to constantly be putting stuff together for people.
Exactly.
Oh, and here comes the
And there's the
B.
And here comes the V, the best part.
Oh, God.
But, like, for example, in this board, what happens if somebody doesn't like bacon or you have a vegetarian or something like that? I love to get that idea and start building. I have an egg
salad there.
So somebody might want to do an egg salad BLT.
Right.
But if somebody is not eating bacon, then you have an option.
And a chicken salad.
I like an egg salad BLT. What do you think of that?
I want to put everything on this board, on a piece of bread and eat it.
So this is a beautiful board.
The condiments, please, of course.
Yes, the condiments.
It's a DIY.
And you see, you have everything together. And even when you're going to go, let's say you're going to take it outside for an outdoor party, you just bring the board.
Right.
You're the hostess with the mostest.
Board like this.
These boards, you too are going to like big boards, and you're not going to lie about it.
Okay, and then we, you know, the accoutrements. An onion, very polarizing. I need it.
Yes.
Some turkey, perhaps?
Some turkey BLTs are very popular too.
So as you finish this up, Father's Day is around the corner.
Yes.
Yes.
There's going to be lots of folks outside wanting to
it's the middle of the summer.
And celebrate. What do you have for that?
Yes. So I brought for you guys a pretzel and beer board.
Oh my God.
Wow. I mean, that's beer pretzels. They're gonna be so happy, right?
Yes.
I'm happy, and I'm not a fan.
I am happy too.
You have a beer flight.
Yes, a beer flight. So I just put that together. It's very affordable. You don't even need to get a flight. You can just get your glasses and just grab like some paper and write down with Sharpie what it is. And then these are like frozen pretzels that you just bake off in advance. And then I have soft pretzels, the pretzel dogs, different sauces, mustards, variety of mustards.
Pretzel and beer, the match made in heaven.
Yes.
And then last but not least, you need a gift for your father.
Yes.
What are we doing?
I have a reusable carrier for like any bottle or wine. all summer long. I have reusable ice cubes.
Oh.
And I made it a margarita-like board-like theme. So I have a little tequila, the shaker.
Beautiful.
And the cocktail book.
Everything
that is my husband's
you need.
cocktail book.
Nothing that you don't.
Things. Thank you so much for these
Thank you,
fantastic
Carla.
ideas.
Thank you so much for having me.
I know what I'm going to do this weekend.
I know. We've got some work to do.